Welcome back, my friends. Another action-packed, exciting episode. It's either going to cook or it ain't. Today, we're going to make some super simple chocolate frosting using peanut butter and jelly and cocoa. You know, what is chocolate anyway? It's fat, sugar, and cocoa pretty much. So, here we go. I'll start measuring this out and we'll be right back. Alrighty. 1 cup of peanut butter. You know, that's close enough. Plus or minus. Got the frosting consistency already. I've never really measured anything out when I made this before. I just did it by taste, but we're going to measure it in taste and by eye. We're going to measure it out so everyone can easily duplicate it. Easily and quickly duplicate it. If you're not good at doing it by eye, yeah, we don't want this one. This one is just regular. Hang on, the battery's running low. I need to plug this in. Alrighty, I'm back. Hey, don't let this fool you. This isn't actually regular Hershey's. It is, you know, the special dark is a little bit too chocolatey, and the regular is not quite enough. So I usually get mix the two together, and it makes it just right, and that's what this is. So my tablespoon, try to get a level packed one. Okay, let's see. I've never measured this out before, I've just done it by eye. But you could tell by the color if there's enough chocolate in there when you mix it with the peanut butter. So I'm going to mix this up and I'll be right back. Alright, it's getting closer. It's close, but I think another 2 teaspoons would be, I think 3 teaspoons is so we'll go another tablespoon. I think 3 teaspoons are a tablespoon, so far that would make it a tablespoon for half cup. Alright, let me mix this in and see what we get. I'll be right back. So we'll lift that. Give it the taste test. I think it needs a couple more. So this is going to be 6 tablespoons. the taste again. You know, it's a tad thick, so what you can do when it's thick like that is add a little water. A little lukewarm water. That's probably 2 tablespoons. Okay. Scrape the sides. Yeah, I think it needs a little bit more water because we're going to use this on a cake. The waterinator. A couple more tablespoons. Chocolatey goodness. Oh yeah, that's pretty good consistency right there. But we're gonna go a little bit more heaping tablespoon. So that's 7. This into the center. Oh yeah, that consistency is looking very nice. So that was 4 tablespoons of water I put in there. Alrighty, that looks like it. There you have it. I don't have a offset frosting spatula spreader, but this little pie thing, it's got an offset, it'll work. Yeah, look at that. Its consistency's nice. Real nice flavor. Oh, that'll frost like you can't buy it at the store that good. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment. Let me know if you like this or not, and your opinion. If you make this recipe, yeah, just jot down below what you thought of it. I mean, you don't have to use this brand. You can use grape jelly or strawberry preserves. This is just as a sweetener. Say you run out of sugar and it's your kid's birthday and the cake's made and oh, there's no frosting and you're out of sugar. And there you go. Peanut butter and jelly chocolate frosting. Alright. Make sure to stay tuned to the next exciting episode of It's Either Gonna Cook or It Ain't to see the cake that this frosting is going to be spread on. Till next time. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.